Hello, my beautiful, lovely people. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you are doing amazing as always. And today's video will be unboxing and try on mango haul. I got these two packages from Mango. This package is really heavy. I don't know which one to start. Oh my god. Alright. I'm so excited to share what I got in those two. Actually, I ordered them for Black Friday and now I think they have 50% off on Mango and I got it for 30% off. So if they still have something what I actually got, you can check out mango.com. I love their things. This order I got overknee boots, but they did not come to me. They were canceled next day saying that just cancelled and the money was refunded to me. But I really love them. They were like overknee boots with the maybe like chrome heel. Okay, let's get into this haul. Actually don't remember ordering this one. I think it's a checked shirt. It doesn't seem like my style, but it looks like I ordered it. Maybe I had something in my mind why I was ordering. I need to check it out. I need to see the picture. Maybe I wanted to wear it with some nude pants or maybe underneath some coats or with overknee boots and some skirts. I don't know, but let's see. Let's check it out. You can, oh my god, it's so soft and nice. It's like a cotton made shirt and it's very soft and super nice. It has long sleeves. No, we'll see. I'm not sure yet because it's not my style. I don't know. I don't remember ordering this one again, but we'll see. Maybe I did. Of course I did if I got it. And I got it in extra small size and I think that's it, what I can tell about it now. Let me try it on and see. It's kind of a little bit loose in the end. Maybe cool. Again, I'm still not sure why I got this shirt, but it's very soft and very pleasant to the body, but I don't feel like it's my style. Definitely soft, nice, and I don't know what to say. Let me see if I tack it like this. I don't see myself in the mirror too. Let me know guys how it looks like. It's the first impression for you, not for me. I'm gonna definitely, once I film this, I'm gonna definitely go and check it out. If I tuck it like this and leave it a little bit long from the back, maybe we'll be okay. I'm not sure what you guys think. Do you like this style on me? I just want to check out myself in the mirror and I really like it. I like the color and it's not that something like, you know, like a country style. It's more of a formal style and I love the I think I'm gonna keep it now. And I have some nude pants, so probably maybe I wanna pair that one nude pants and this shirt. Why not? Maybe black pants as well. And I don't know, maybe also even jeans too. I don't know, I have to think about how to style this because it's not my completely style, but I think I like it. Look who's here. Oh my god, my love. Juliet is here. Next one is oh, it was pants. Yeah, I got these pants and I believe they were in the black. Oh, they looked amazing on the model. I really needed just the black trousers and something which is like a suit trousers, and I got these ones. They were great. They were just gorgeous, and I believe they are more of a like a straight pants and they should be perfect. Oh, I got some boots in my second package, so these will go amazing with those boots. And you can see that this is black suit trousers, and to me it looks more of a like a not the black but blue, like a navy blue, and I got it in the size 34, which is USA 2, and we'll see how it goes. I really like that it has the pocket, one pocket from the back. Let's check it out. I really like that they're high-waisted, but I'm not sure about the style of this pants. I don't like this area and these two. Actually, in the picture, I think I got them only because of these things, and on the picture they look pretty cool, and I'm not sure how they look on me, but I like it that they're straight. Is how they look from the back. You can see one pocket. Only one thing I think I like about these pants is this that they're high-waisted. The fabric is nice too. I don't believe I'm gonna keep them. I was looking at this bag for so long, and then I decided to get it. It's this bag, it's like a mini bag, and this animal print is like a snake print color, and I love it. It's just so adorable and it's so cute. I think it will go nice with the nude coat, with everything which is nude, black, total black, and also this bag. Maybe total white and some beige colors on top will go amazing with this as well. And also I see how I'll wear some brown sweater, or maybe nude, like a beige color sweater with a huge turtleneck, and some nude pants, or maybe even these black ones, white shoes, and this bag. It's just so it's just very nice bag, would go amazing with a lot of nude colors, black colors, everything which has the same color palette. And honestly, I've been looking at this bag since their new collection was launched. It was in fall, it was for fall season. They just launched this bag, and then I could not resist. And the quality is amazing, and I love this unique style which makes this bag even more beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. And I believe it also has the long like a stripe. Yeah, it has the long one, so you can wear it crossbody. And the last one from this package is this. I believe I got some earrings. Let me show you. Okay, really well packaged. I can't even dig it out. Come on, come on. Okay. Oh yeah, I remember these ones. They're so cute. Look at this. I love statement earrings, and this is when I saw these ones. They have this unique, like a pearl collection, and of course I don't believe this is a pearl. This is a real pearl. Of course it's not, but the fact is just so that they're so beautiful that I couldn't just... Oh look, and they have... Everything is falling down already. Oh, it's so nice. I didn't see this one. When you turn it, you're supposed to wear it like this, so it will be from the back, and here is another little pearl from the other side, so everyone could see. If you wear the ponytail, everyone can see this little pearl from the back of your earring. It looks so cute and fabulous. Oh my god. So they're gold earrings. Of course they're not gold, they're gold color earrings, and they have this little pearl here on one, and the huge one at the bottom. And also this one does not have any pearls from the front, but as we discovered that it has a pearl from the back, which is really cool and unique. I think this is from their premium collection. They also have different kinds of this pearl style earrings and necklaces, but I choose this one. They're just so cute and adorable. And we move on to the second package, which is a huge one, and I don't believe I have many stuff in here. I just have some, I don't know what I have. Let's see. Okay, so I think I remember this one. I got this blue shirt, and it was also animal print shirt. Let me show you really quick. Yeah, look at the color. It's so gorgeous. It's more of a loose shirt than fitted. And I wanted to wear it with the white pants and white boots. I'm not sure guys if you can see, but it has also animal print. It's a snake skin. It will go nice with the black trouser or black boots, and also white pants. And also I have the same color pants. They are royal blue, and I can create a total kind of blue outfit wearing white boots color. I really like the color of this shirt, and I like the fit, so you can wear it like this, I believe. So it's long sleeves, but I like to wear it like this. It's not fitted, it's a little bit more loose. This is how it looks from the back. and I like the fabric too. It's really pleasant to the body. I think I'm gonna keep it, and I get it extra small. It goes true to size. And the next one is this beautiful scarf, or I don't know how to call it, in this animal print again. You guys know how I like animal print, you can tell. And this one I wanted to wear with the biker jacket and this scarf underneath, maybe some white shirt with a very deep V neckline, and just make it bow and put over knee. Why I say over knee always? And put this biker jacket on top. It creates very feminine at the same time masculine look, and very stylish with this scarf. I'll show you later on. Okay, and the next one I see this belt again. Oh, I remember why I got it, because I got this bag in the snake print, and I wanted to add something which is snake print to my wardrobe. Not the statement, more of a, you know what I mean, like not the shirt or pants, not that big. I wanted to add something which is small and just adds a little accent to the bag and complete the outfit. That's why I decided to get this one, and I love it because it's black. Of course I'm not gonna wear it together because of the conflict of interests here. I believe it should be double belt, so you can wear it on both sides. And this side has this animal print. It will complement your outfits with the beige or even nude colors. Also, if you add this cute little bag in this snake print, which is kind of matching the belt skin, it will complete your outfit and put everything together. Of course, maybe not this bright blue color. I don't see myself again, but I think maybe I would wear something white or something nude. But even this one, I think even blue color goes amazing. Some black pants. Here's the reverse side. I can just turn the buckle. Oh, and you see that the snake print is hidden now. I love this belt, and I only have this velvet side from the back. So if you want to just put it over your coat, over your blazer, maybe cardigan, or even like this on top of your pants to define the waistline. And it's really cool because you get two belts for one price. You guys probably know, or you should know, that white boots or overknee boots, white color, they're so trendy now, and I got ones for myself too. This is exactly what I wanted, and they look gorgeous on the model. I like how they look with the black long line coat, and also I like different kind of black and white outfits. I think they're also very cute because of the toe. The toe is kind of square, not the pointy toe. I like the pointy toe more, and this one is a little bit different from what I have right now. And heel is like this, not too high, and they have a zipper from the back. I like them. They're very nice and soft. I don't remember if it's leather. Yeah, it does. It says authentic leather, so it's leather, and it's from premium collection. And they're pretty comfortable. I was standing in them while I was recording the video, so they feel pretty comfortable because of the not the pointy toe. The toes are wide spreaded, and it feels really nice. And this is how they look from the back. It seems like I got a necklace and it's all tangled. Okay, give me some time with it. Right, I think I'm done. And it's pretty long necklace, and it's in this gold color, and I think I got it to wear with the very deep V neckline tops and blouses. Normally I don't really like necklaces, but I think this one is really cool to wear just over your sweaters. If you add it to yours, just a simple beige sweater or simple gray sweater just on top like this, and just wear some black pants or even jeans, you will make your outfit interesting already. And the next one, again, blue, this royal blue. I only like this royal blue color out of all blues because this is the most this color will make your, this thing smells so weird. And this one is just a simple turtleneck top, which is very soft and a little bit transparent so you can see through. It does not really bother me because they're all like this. Very soft and material is very thin. I think it will go nice just under some dresses, coats, blouses. If you have a white coat, you can create the white and blue outfit with wearing something white coat and this blue top underneath, some white pants maybe, or no, I would suggest actually to wear blue pants, and it will make you a little bit taller, and just add some white boots and it looks just so amazing. Only two colors will make you look fantastic. I like the color, I like the quality, it's nice. I get it in extra small size, different, and I like this turtleneck. It can be worn underneath jackets, coats, so you can create plenty of outfits. And this is how it looks from the back, very fitted. Recently I've been loving all this purple blue shades and all different kind of purple, magenta, adore. And I just wanted to show you guys how this thing makes everything so different. And I think I'm wearing it in a different way. It should be like this, but just to show you how much better you can look just by adding only one accessory. It will just make your basic simple outfit very interesting and stylish just by adding this little cute necklace. It's this black bag. It has this like a fabric thing inside, so you can put your things and then just close it like this. It also has this gold holder, you can hold it like this, and also the long one, so you can just put it like this and go. I really like it, and I think the quality is nice too. For the price, it's just amazing and gorgeous, and I really like its unique style. Even if it's black, it will add this very unique vibe to your outfit. Even if you're wearing total black and you just get this bag, which is unique shape, and now they're so trendy. That was it, guys, and I hope you liked my unboxing and try on mango haul. As always, let me know what was your favorite piece from this haul. I hope you enjoy, and again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you all having a great time with your families, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.